Hello Rangappa, happy birthday to you. 29th of October 2020 is an important day not only for Rangappa and his immediate family but also for all members of V.S. Mudaliar extended family. It is very important because the book titled Burma to Bangalore, authored by Rangappa jointly with Sandhya, ably assisted by Priya, is being officially launched. The book. In management, it said for the successful completion of any project, there are 3 steps. First, the idea. Rangappa had the idea to write a book of this type, to narrate all the incidents in life which will be useful for the generations to come. The next step is the desire to achieve this object. He had the desire, he had the thirst, he had the fire in the belly to work towards this end and complete this project. The third stage is the execution of the project, and that is where Sandhya and Priya chipped in with their skill sets, expertise and the desire to complete the father's dream. We are very happy that this project is completed and the book is launched. This book contains information for all segments of people. For the family members, it has got interesting evidence with which they would have been associated, and it will be very interesting for them to relive those happy moments. For the youngsters, their patriotic feelings will be triggered after reading the services rendered by Rangappa for the nation. For the public at large, the value systems which he followed, it will be very useful if all the people emulate those value systems. Rangappa, we are very proud of you because you have served the nation. This book has got the early part of Rangappa's life and the subsequent part of it. Rangappa, you would observe that in the early part of your life, you spent most of the time away from your family. And it is said that God is a leveler. For all the trouble which you took and the sacrifices you made in the earlier part of life, you are now spending your time with your family and in a peaceful atmosphere. In these days when the family is dispersed in different parts of the globe, to have the family by your side is definitely a good thing to happen to anybody's life. Let me tell about my association with Rangappa. The year 61 and 62 are very important years in his life. April 61, Rangappa was watching a movie in the Elephantstone Theatre. My father went and called him from the theatre and took him directly to get his views on Prabhanti. He said okay immediately after seeing Prabhanti, and we had gone to make the final arrangements along with Appa, Amma, Bava, Atama and myself. All of us had gone to Prabhanti's brother's house, Narsimhan's house, for the finalization of the engagement. I remember that day there was a cricket match and I was interested in listening to the cricket commentary on the radio. Appa said we have to leave by 4 o'clock, and I was hoping that it may get delayed so that the match will be over and then we could go. But as Appa usually does, 3 o'clock itself said, Acha, Acha, come, let us go. And so I was not able to listen to the radio commentary, cricket commentary. Then in August 61, the engagement took place, but for the information of all, Rangappa was not able to attend the engagement because he was on duty. And the marriage took place on 26th of January 62. You will observe from the time he first saw Prabhanti in April 61 and January 62, 9 months period, I was able to get the agony of Rangappa the way it is narrated in the book, for this 9-month period, he was not able to establish any contact with Prabanti. If only anybody asked Rangappa, in this modern days of invention, what is it he would like to have, he would have liked to have in the year 1961-62, definitely he would have said, I would like to have a facility like Zoom meeting or Microsoft Team meeting or a mobile phone with a video call facility, so that he could have interacted with Prabanti more frequently. So on this important day, let me seek the blessings of Rangappa and Prabanti and convey our good wishes to Sandhya, Priya, Siddharth, Tarana and Rayan. Siddharth is a very quiet and affectionate person, and when we visited their house recently, we said that a particular product was very good, and he took efforts to see that it is delivered to us. Tarana is a very vibrant and talented girl, and Rayan has got his interest in music as well as high absorption capacity. Let me wish all of them the best of everything in life. Good luck.